Are you guys are getting confused about which moisturizer or lotion you should use in the winter? So don't worry, I'm here to solve your problem. So hi guys, I'm Afrin and thanks for joining my channel. So as weather is changing, our mood to eat food is also getting changed. Similarly, our skin also, the need of our skin is also getting changed while changing the weather. So we need to understand which thing is important when. So guys, I think I don't have to waste the time and I should start the video. So let's begin the video. So moving our first moisturizer. Before starting, I must say that I have 5 different options and you can choose any of them blindly. Yes guys, blindly you can choose any of them because I'm going to tell you 5 different options which all are good, and you are going to pick any of them. It will good for you, even better for you. Okay, so starting the video with the first lotion or moisturizer, which is from Himalaya. So guys, as you know me, then you might be know that I am the Himalaya product person. I love the Himalaya product because it's completely herbal and natural, and I am completely person who love natural and herbal things. So I am completely Himalaya person, Himalaya brand person, but still I like this brand, I like this lotion, but in winter I think this is a little thick. If we are going to talk about, if we are going to think in winter, then it's a little thick, and I don't like the fragrance of the lotion. This is my personal opinion. I don't think so all of them and all of us are similar in taste. So in my way, the fragrance I don't like so much. This is completely thick, so this lotion is not for winter according to me. But yeah, some guys are using this lotion in winter and they are completely fine with it. So this is thick, and otherwise this is completely okay. And moving to our next moisturizer, which is from, so this is from Nivea, and I love the packaging of this product. This is like pumping process. You have to push and it comes out, and the quantity, it's completely depends on you because of this pumping process. So I love the packaging. But yeah, I know we don't think about packaging if we are going, we think about our skin. So yes, fragrance of this lotion is so amazing. I'm the person who love fragrance in light, and I don't like strong fragrance, hard fragrance. I love light fragrance, which of course stay for long, but it should be light. So it has amazing fragrance. It is thick, or it's not thick, it's thin. Even it's not thin, I mean it's in between thick or thin. It's, yeah, you can use it in winter. I just say that you can use it. If you want to pick Nivea, then you will satisfy this by this product in the winter. Lotion, which is from, and this is my personal favorite. So this is Opal, and I'm using Opal since I was in college, and I love this this moisturizer because this is of course cheap, and this has amazing fragrance. This fragrance is from rose, and of course this is also not thick. And you can, the big thing about this Opal cream is you can use this in winter summer and rainy season. This is not a for one weather kind of moisturizer. You can use this in any of the weather. This thing I like about this lotion, and the fragrance, the consistency, all I like about the lotion. So I used this once I started to use the Opal, and I was continue using this lotion since I got hypes. So yes, moving to our next, I'm using, so this is Cetaphil, and this I'm using because my doctor said. But yes, this is also amazing product. This is, I mean, this is costly but completely worth. And of course the packaging I like, and this is thin, the fragrance is mild. I think you will not feel the fragrance. If anybody who don't like fragrance, nor neither hard nor light, who just want to go with neutral, then use this. And my fifth one is, which I don't have right now, but I will tell you. The fifth one is from Vaseline. Vaseline is one of my favorite, and I was using Vaseline when I was in school. So yes, of course Vaseline is also the lotion which I already used, and I did experiment on Vaseline. So I'll give you the fifth option is Vaseline. You can go with the Vaseline, and you will definitely satisfy with the Vaseline, because Vaseline is also not so thick, not so thin. The fragrance also you will like. Even now are available in the market from Vaseline. You can go and pick any of them. So guys, in this video I think these all are so good, and I think you will love this video. All are good for any kind of skin. So I think guys you like this video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel, and just follow me on Instagram. And guys, I will see you in my next video. So guys, right now I'm signing off. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.